This is what it looks like under the hood. This has probably never been cleaned. So I'm going to do one of my engine cleanings like I did in my other video and show you that it is safe to do. The key is to dry it off and run it right after you wash it. I think that's what makes it a safe thing. If you just wash your engine and then leave water sitting in spots, that's when you start having problems. But obviously wash your own engine at your own risk, because if there is some unknown break somewhere and water gets in something that it's not supposed to, obviously you're going to have problems. But like I said, I've washed engines over and over in my life and not had any problems. So last time I used a spray bottle with Dawn in it. This time I'm going to try this hose attachment with the Dawn. This is full strength Dawn in here. Let's see if this kind of creates a foamy spray. So that's already made an improvement. You notice I'm spraying up there too. I'm not real happy that I'm having to spray that mat because that's going to take a while to dry, but it had fire extinguisher residue on it. And then I'm going to put some full strength Dawn on the brush, because there's some really greasy, very dirty areas in here. We're going to need more than just a spray. And let me emphasize, I don't expect this to be show car clean this first go around. Inevitably I'll miss a spot or two, but I really wanted to knock the bulk of the dirt off and clean this up so it's presentable at least. And then subsequent cleanings, it'll get closer and closer to that showroom look. When all else fails, Dawn on a toothbrush to get those really hard to reach areas. Well, unfortunately, it's just kind of a methodical process, going around and finding the places you missed and hitting them again with the brush or spray or whatever. I'm not a fan of power washing. I know some of you out there do power wash. I've just seen too many things go wrong with the power washer. But then I know there's a lot of you out there that would never clean your engine like this either. So I've had really good luck with it. Like I said, the main goal I have is to get it dried off after I clean it. Don't let any of this water dry. Don't let any of this water sit in here, because over time rust or corrode things, and that's where we're having our troubles. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but the master cylinder is under that cap there. Mine's pretty filthy, so get that cleaned up. You certainly can do a lot better job if you can jack up the vehicle and get the bottom side too. I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm not in a position to jack this vehicle up, but the top half of it tonight. this is just my opinion, but my opinion is this is the secret to doing this safely. Getting the water out of here. So blow drying and running it until it's warmed up. Like I said, I don't like that I had to get this pad wet. So I don't even see it on the camera, but it's dripping the water. But it was so dirty I had to. Pretty sure it's not showing up on the camera, but the gravity is pulling the water down and it's dripping off the bottom there. And this is kind of the preview of at least the first wave of cleaning on this engine. I need to go start it, let it run, and thoroughly dry, and then probably tomorrow I'll treat all these black areas. So you want to let it run until it's warmed up and any moisture is steamed off of here so it's dry. And in my case, I'm going to leave the hood up so that the water coming off of here can drip down. Gravity is your friend in that situation. So this is the rough draft version of the engine clean. I had a little bit of plastic treatment left in a bottle, and so I used that up just to basically wipe down here, 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 and maybe a couple hoses or whatever, but I didn't do the major areas here. So this will actually continue to look better as I'll probably do one more clean on it to, you see, like down in here I missed some grease and stuff. Part of that's doing it at night. And down in here, so probably one more clean will get it where it's close to showroom clean, and then just wiping down the surfaces. I can see at nighttime I got to there, but I missed the bottom inch or so. So anyway, overall I'm thoroughly happy with, like I said, just one quick cleaning, and you see the engine is already vastly improved. And even the underside of the hood, no more fire extinguisher spray on it.